In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically rewrite YouTube titles and descriptions using AI. We'll build a simple, reliable workflow that pulls pending videos from a Google Sheet, extracts their current metadata, uses AI to craft SEO-friendly replacements, and writes everything back to your sheet. We'll start with a manual trigger so you can test confidently, and then you can schedule it later once you're happy with the results. First, we begin with the option to execute the workflow manually. This is the safest way to validate each step end to end. You'll click to run it, watch the data move through the workflow, and confirm the outputs before automating. Next, we query Google Sheets using a Get Rows in Sheet node. It filters rows where the status column equals pending, so only videos that still need optimization are processed. Each row should include the YouTube URL, the target keyword, and the current title and description. Keeping those columns consistent will help everything map cleanly later. Then, we fetch the YouTube page using an HTTP request node. Point it to the video URL from the sheet and include a browser-style user agent header so the page responds properly. The response gives you the full HTML of the video page, which contains the data we need. Now, we extract the current metadata with a code node. The script looks for YT initial data within the page, parses the embedded JSON, and pulls out the existing video title and the full description. At this point, we have accurate, source-of-truth metadata ready for AI. For the title rewrite, we use a LangChain LLM node named New Title Generating. It receives the old title and the target keyword, and it's prompted to make the title more clickable, keep it SEO optimized, and naturally include the keyword. It returns a clean JSON object in the format new title. We do the same for the description with a second LLM node called New Description Generating. It takes the original description, preserves any timeline section as is, rewrites the rest for clarity and engagement, naturally includes the keyword, and keeps it to around 1,500 characters. It returns new description. To ensure consistency, two code nodes parse the AI's JSON responses, stripping out any formatting so only structured values pass through. We then merge the new title, new description, and original extracted data into one combined object and aggregate all items into a single payload to simplify the sheet update. Finally, a Google Sheets update node matches rows by URL and writes the old and new titles, the old and new descriptions, and sets status to done. Add URLs, mark them pending, click execute, and let AI handle the rest. No manual rewriting needed.